rainbow colours.
Mr. Rainbow, I'm Rainbow.
And what colour are you going to choose, Cara?
Red.
I'm going to choose green. Greeny. My favourite colour.
Let's open the greens and the reds.
Guys, we just need to empty all these Starburst packets.
It's hard to open for me. It's
One. Do you need some help?
yeah. I can only open a little bit of these packets. Now let's pull them out. Funny Carter. Wow, there's so many! Yummy! There's so many colours.
So we need to empty all the green ones and Cara
And
needs to
the
empty and the red into our bowls. So let's get started. Guys, we're down to the last few Starbursts.
Yay!
Show my Starbursts, yay! And look at all the Starbursts, they look so yummy. Cal, do you need some help there?
Yep.
Okay.
We work together. We work together too, because it's a lot. Sometimes people need help. Sometimes people don't. Sometimes people do.
Guys, all the Starbursts are in the bowl. Ta-da!
Mine is.
They look so yummy, don't they, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we just need a grown-up to help us put them in the
Pan.
The pan. Yeah.
Now we're going to put these lovely Starbursts into a pan of hot water. The same as you would if you was melting chocolate. We're going to put it in a pan of hot water and all the Starbursts are going to melt and go gooey. And then we can make it into slime.
And then we can mix it up until it's not sticky. Guys, we've done the same with the purple and the orange. Now it's time to make some slime.
Guys, our Starbursts are ready and they're all melted gooey.
Gooey, oh.
Like slime.
So now it's time to mix it with the powdered sugar so that we can
Wow.
mix it and mix it and mix it into our slime.
Yeah. I'm just gonna like this.
So let's get mixing, guys. You just keep folding it and folding it
I'm thinking you need to use my hands.
until you can use your hands. Mix it a little bit more with on the spoon first because it's all going to stick to your hands. Is it fun?
Yes. I'm mixing to slime.
So is mine.
Yours looks like a squished orange.
Mine looks like a squished orange board.
Stretch you.
Do you think I should stretch it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Looks ready.
Guys, our slime's ready! Yeah, and it's super stretchy.
Yay.
It's super stretchy.
Oops. Look.
Give a like to the big hurt smiley face.
Give a like to this big sad face.
Sad face? We don't have sad faces when we're making Starburst slime. No sad faces here, guys.
No sad faces. And guys, try this at home because you can eat it.
I got the orange and the red.
And I've got the purple and the green.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's
Yeah,
make it.
and definitely make this at home because it's super stretchy. You can eat it, and it's really yummy as well.
Yeah.
Carol, shall we make a rainbow?
Yeah.
Let's put all the colours together.
Wow!
Looks like a rainbow.
Stretchy.
Wow! That looks awesome, guys!
Yeah, super cool.
How does the rainbow taste? Who's going to do the taste test?
Me.
Me.
Super good.
Yeah, super good.
That sounds breaking, Carol.
Awesome, guys! So is it really nice?
Yeah.
It tastes super yummy.
Yeah.
Should everyone at home try this?
Yeah. And guys, it's super cool, so definitely try it at home. Give this video a thumbs up. And Cara, I wonder what colour this will make if we put it all together.
Yeah.
It's going to be super cool. Guys, comment in the box below if you make this at home and mix it all together to see what colour it makes. Yeah, it's going to make something really cool, a colour that we've never seen. And also take a picture.
So I can see it.
Yeah, so we can see it. And maybe send it to us on Instagram because we're on Instagram, and don't forget. Thanks for watching.